press the bell icon to never miss a video from PopxoBeauty Daily.
Hi guys, welcome to another episode of PopxoBeauty Makeup 101. Do you also have hooded eyes like me and struggle to get the perfect eyeliner? Then this episode is just for you. Today I'm going to show you 3 different ways in which you can pull off a beautiful eyeliner for your hooded eyes. It is easy to mess up cat eyeliner with hooded eyes. However, if done right, the cat eyeliner can make your eyes look elongated and beautiful. Start at the outer corners to create the perfect cat eye. It is all about getting the flick right, which is more angular than lateral. This style is perfect for hooded eyes as it takes the focus away from the lid and towards the inner and outer corner of your eyes. The winged eyeliner can be tricky on hooded eyes. The trick here is to create the wing away from the hood and then drawing it inwards. This creates an illusion of deep set eyes and adds definition. So that's it for the video guys. Let me know how many of these looks would you like to try in the comment section below. And because you love our content so much, join the MyGlamm Insider program and get ₹150 off on all MyGlamm products when you shop from the website or the app. The link to join is down in the description below. And for more such videos, like, share and subscribe to PopxoBeauty Daily. Bye!